In this tutorial, we're going to make a simple array list. To start, what is an array list? Array list is a data structure. It stores data in an array that can be dynamically resized, and it contains methods that assist the programmer in accessing and storing data. In this tutorial, we're going to make a simple collection. Collection is the main types of a list. This string initializes the object things. Inside the index, there are 4 arrays. The first is the eggs, lasers, hat, and pie. Moving to the third step, it shows the Java process generate. This new array list represents the import java.util.asterisk. And now, we're gonna make an array item to list. Type for string x, the name of the object, things, list 1, that add x. So this 4 string x represents the first string. And now we're gonna type the for loop. Int I equals to 0, I less than list 1, that size this size takes the size of it. I plus plus. We're gonna type system that out the printf. Since printf it represents the person's string, and list 1 that get represents the first string. Put it in I, and now we're finished this string things, and we'll go over to the next level. I mean the string. We're gonna copy this. This is the second string, name the object more. We're gonna remove the eggs, the pie. We're gonna change the Java process list 1 into list 2, and then copy the comment and also this portion, copy and paste. So since the string 1 is the x, and the string 2 will be going to y, and things object in the string 2 we're gonna change it more things, and list 1 will become list 2, and add will become y. For the loop process, we're gonna change list 1 into list 2, and the system.out.printf, since it is list 1 we're gonna change it in list 2. Thanks for listening, guys. Hope you understand, and God bless.